Hi, I'm Kat, the product manager for the Millermatic and Multimatic 255. A great feature on these machines is the ability to upgrade your software. Let's show you how. To upgrade your software, just visit millerwelds.com/support/software. Scroll down and click the Multimatic tab and download the software onto a blank USB drive. Next, make sure your machine is on and that the auto set is off. On your home screen, hit Setup, System, Software. Next, insert your USB with the software update on it into the USB port. After approximately 30 seconds, if a valid software update has been found, text should appear to press Upgrade to upgrade firmware, and an upgrade button should appear at the bottom of the screen. Press the button to start the upgrade. You'll be asked to confirm the upgrade on the following screen. Press Upgrade. Once the upgrade starts, you will see a screen with several process bars that will take approximately 2 minutes to complete. Following this, a message will be displayed saying that the machine will automatically restart to update the user interface software and that the screen will go dark for approximately 2 minutes before the system reboots. Do not turn off the machine or remove the USB drive until the upgrade has completed and a home screen appears. When the home screen is displayed, the upgrade has completed. A couple things you might notice on your new home screen is the addition of a thermometer to monitor your duty cycle and an electronic parameter chart. To use the parameter chart, you'll select your wire and gas, which now has the addition of metal core programs, then select your material thickness. Ideal settings in just a few clicks with full adjustability. Speaking of adjustability, aluminum welders will love this new feature under the Setup tab. Scrolling down to Start mode, users now have the ability to fully customize their hot starts in manual mode. To get these great new features, make sure to update your Millermatic or Multimatic software today. For more information, visit millerwelds.com/support/software.